Okay, so we got one more thing we're going to do for the truck today, and we are going to be putting on some fender flares. I had these color matched to the truck, so we're going to go ahead and take these out of the truck now, get them prepped, and get them put on. So we got some painted fender flares. We got them color matched to the truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the bolts in here. They got a rubber gasket that goes on the back, and then we'll go ahead and mount these up here in just a second. So let's get working on these. And then once we get them all set up, we'll put them on the truck.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks.
Okay, so I've built one. I put the rubber gasket on the back, put the bolts in here. This is super tedious, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, but hopefully they'll turn out well. It's just taking longer than it probably would have mounted on the truck, but we'll get the other ones done real quick and then we'll start mounting.
It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go.
Okay guys, it's getting too dark to put the front ones on, but I will have to take these emblems off because the fender flare comes up here and covers this corner. So I'll do that in the morning. I'll get some fishing line and heat this up and pull this emblem off. We'll have to probably just move it up, but that's it for tonight. Tomorrow I'll do the front, but the back turned out really well. You can see the fender flares were pretty easy to put on the back. Only took like 15 minutes to do both sides, so we'll do the front in the morning. Okay, we got the logo off. Now I'm gonna clean this glue off of here real quick, and then we'll put our flare on. All right, we got the other side. We got the logo off, or the emblem off this side, and the passenger side. So we're gonna put that one on, and then we'll be done.
Never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess.
All right, the flares turned out really well. You can see, I did a Jason did a good job painting these things and turned out pretty well on the truck. So that project is done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If y'all have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Take care and have a great day.